Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to shoot you a really quick video. I just got done over at the gym, and this is kind of my first video with this email group. So number one, just want to say hi. Sometimes I do these videos. Anyway, I just got done to the gym, and while I was there, I was actually thinking about a really important principle that I feel like a lot of people don't really get a lot of times. And it's this idea that, we talk a lot about marketing, and I feel like people don't understand that marketing is a muscle. Focus is a muscle. Business is a muscle. Parenting is a muscle. And if you choose to, one, say you're not a marketer, or two, just to flat out not do it, or to not do it effectively, that is the equivalent of, going to the gym and then not lifting that weight appropriately, or doing that one bicep curl and thinking all of a sudden you're gonna look like Arnold Schwarzenegger, right? It's just not gonna happen, and it's not gonna happen intuitively, intellectually. You understand that, but when it comes to focus, when it comes to business, when it comes to marketing, we just don't always understand how that translates over. Marketing is a muscle. You have to do things repetitively. You have to do them for a very long time. You have to commit to the process and understand that you need to drop and give me 20 Facebook posts. You need to get down, do the push-ups, do the pull-ups, do the bench press equivalent to marketing, send your emails, post to Facebook, do the videos, talk to people at meetups, whatever it is for you, you need to be doing that and understand that every time you're doing it, that is an exercise, that is a very special, opportunity that you have to do and practice that marketing rep, and it's just going to get you stronger. It's just going to continue to get you ingrained in that motion and really help take you a long way. So I love to use fitness as an analogy for business and marketing a lot. It's the same way a lot of people like to use sports and all that kind of stuff a lot. But in this particular case, it applies 100%. You're not going to go to the gym and all of a sudden deadlift 500 pounds. It's just not gonna happen. You need to start small. You need to start with an appropriate amount of weight, but you have to keep doing it. You have to keep working that muscle. Marketing, focus, parenting, business, all of that stuff is a muscle, and you need to work it if you want it to work. Catch you guys next time.